Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Tamachelvi, Assistant Professor in the Department of Computer Science and Design from SNS College of Technology. In this video, we are going to see about operating system services from the subject Principles of Operating System. Let's start. First of all, we must know what are the type of services that are provided by the operating system. Basically, operating system that acts as a bridge between the user and the hardware. Operating system services or the functions provided by the operating system, especially to manage hardware and run applications, make the system easy and safe to use. Without the services, a computer cannot work properly. Introduction. OS services are important because they use system resources efficiently and it improves the system performance and it provides the security, make the system user friendly. So these services help both user and the applications. Next one, process management services. A process is a program that is being executed. The OS helps in creating process and terminating process. Then scheduling process using say, CPU scheduling algorithm. Inter-process communication, that means also called as IPC mechanism, facilitate communication between the process. And deadlock handling. This allows multiple programs to run at the same time smoothly. Next one, memory management services. Memory management means manage the RAM efficiently. Basically, OS is used to allocate the memory and deallocate the memory and to protect the memory, and that provides the virtual memory management also, and it's used for paging and segmentation. As I said earlier, OS mainly provide the service for memory management that allocates and deallocates memory and protect the memory of each process, that use the virtual memory applications using the paging and segmentation concepts. This helps in running large programs and improve the system performance. Next one, file system services. Files are used to store the data permanently. The OS provides services for example, for file creation and deletion, for file organization, that is in folder, and file access management that regulates the access permissions for the files and ensure only the authorized user can read or modify the sensitive information from the file. And data backup and recovery. OS offers backup services to safeguard data against loss due to system failure or accident deletions. Overall, by using these services, OS helps data safe and well organized. Next one, device management services. A computer has many devices like keyboard, mouse, printer, and a disk. The OS mainly provides services like for device drivers and device independence and buffering and caching, and for input-output operation management. In short, the OS that use the device drivers and manage the input-output operations and support the device independence, and finally that use the buffering and caching, that use the strategies to speed up the input-output operation. As a whole, applications can work without knowing the device details. Next one, security and protection services. Security and protection services within the operating system are essential because they regulate the access and encrypt the data and maintaining the audit for maintaining the security oversight. Security is very important in modern systems. The OS provides user authentication and access control, data encryption and audit trails and logs. Uh, so this type of four process that protects the data from the unauthorized access. Next one, user interface service. Basically, we have different types of interfaces like command line interface, graphical user interface, and so many things. This is how user interact with the system. The OS provides graphical user interface, that is GUI. That means it provides user-friendly GUI that allows user to interact with the system through icons, windows, menus. And second one is command line interface, that is CLI. That is full and full text-based commands, user customization and help documentation. Next one, this makes the system easy to use for all the users. Networking issues. Networking allows computer to communicate. The OS provides network protocols to facilitate communication between the devices over the network, and a remote access services network, and network resource management that manage network resources including the bandwidth, device connection, and so many things. And finally, network security like firewalls the that protect the data transmitted over the network from unauthorized access. So this enables data sharing and remote system access. So technology is continuously evolving. To conclude, operating system provides many essential services to the user. These services manage hardware and software efficiently. So as a whole, all the services that improve the performance, security, and usability of OS. OS services are the backbone of the modern computing system. Operating system services provide essential functions like process management, memory management, file system services, device management, for security and production management, and for user interface services. Who as a whole, in this slide I displayed the mind mapping for operating system services that visually shows how each service helps the user to understand the OS that runs program efficiently and support the user interaction. So here I provide some reference that support clear understanding of OS services for academic and as well as for examination preparation. Thanks for watching this video till the end. Thank you.